Well, it has been raining all morning. This is Saturday morning. Well, I think Saturday morning is gone, but it's Saturday. Beautiful day when the sun comes out. And after a rain, the air is so crisp and clear. I didn't get a video up last night. I finished up kind of late yesterday. We did our last top working job yesterday. We have one more job to do next week. But anyway, we were cutting down some trees here on my place. I'm taking out a bunch of trees, and we were piling brush. Victor was on the tractor. I was felling trees, and Jorge was setting chokers, and Victor was dragging trees and pushing trees with the bucket on the tractor, making a big burn pile, and had a little mishap. Victor, you're making old Brown proud now, boy. Get that leaf blower going. Let me get some fire going there. Yeah, buddy. Okay, Brown Jr. We had a limb come around and knock the valve stem off of the rear tire here, so we are leaking calcium, and I stuck a jack under it just to hold it until I can get it fixed. It would save me some money if I took it into town, but I'm kind of busy, so I think I'm just going to have them come out and fix this. They got field trucks to come out, and service trucks to come out to the orchards and whatnot, service these things, such incidents. So yeah, we're going to shuffle some rigs around here. I'm going to pull the rat rod out, and we're going to put the work truck in and get it ready to go for Monday. So just a little catch up of what's going on around here. Got a call from a guy up north who has some damage in his orchard. The mice did a lot of damage this year, girdled some trees, and we're going to go up and try and save his trees and do some bridge grafting. Fire in the hole. I do believe my pants are on fire. Well, what's the rest? Third rattler out. Well, I'm just leaving the orchard that we did the other day. We kind of battled the rain and the snow, and I kind of worked a trade with this guy. I'm going to knock the trees off the bill in exchange for a little item that he has, and y'all will see it on my driveway one of these days. Kind of like weird and quirky things, and so that's what I'm going to get. All right, on to the next one. Oh, squirrel. There's a garage with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bays.
Dodge cab over.
And a Dodge van, Super B, a green one. You can't see it's behind that pickup, and then that blue one. And there's some stuff going on here. There's a serious car guy lives here. Might have to stop and there's another Dodge or Chrysler product. Might have to stop and introduce myself to this guy, see what he's got in those garages. Bet he's got some cool stuff in there. He's a Mopar guy. I'm going to stop in here and check and see if the bark's slipping. Up, squirrel!